So they have a parcel search tool that's pretty easy to find. I think that we have that link shade for you as well, that we can go ahead and research the parcel number along with looking into the address on the property as well. So here's their parcel search tool. It's pretty easy to find. I just typed in Newcastle County, Delaware parcel search, and the very first link was the parcel search tool for looking at properties in this area. Click on the details. One thing that kind of worried me first is you can see that there was a demolition underneath the permit history. So you can see some of the different, there's a plumbing and heating, residential addition. All of this can be incredibly helpful for us, but I wanted to look at that demolition because automatically that's a bit of a red flag. But if we click on the details, we can see what kind of demolition it is.
Have an in-ground pool.
Yeah. So this is them doing things right. They got a permit. They had the pool demolished or taken out. Everything passed. You can see it passed. So in that case, we're pretty good. That's not a demolition of the property, and we kind of know what that is. We could also look at some of the additions that they put on. I didn't look at any of them, but that's going to tell us more about the property. We can see maybe when it was upgraded or when different things were done.
Yeah, we can see that it did pass there. This was in 2017. This was replacing the plywood on the roof.
That's good to know. That means that since this property, they've replaced the plywood, and they probably also at that time would have had to replace the roof as well if they replaced the plywood.
Yeah, this was a warm air furnace. Back when they did that. And this is clear back. The residential addition is probably old. Let's see. Heating, cooling ramps.
Back in 2006. So we do know that there's been some work on the property. They have if there's any type of code violations, they have it listed there, which this property doesn't have. We also have the GIS map at the top. We get an idea of kind of the value of the property, valued at about $387,000 on 0.2 an acre. We can see some of the sales information. Looks like it's sold in 2010, and then for some reason they don't have the sell date available on the most recent sale. But it's within the same. See how it's the same person?
Yeah.
Alexander went on to it.
And we can see a historical value of the property here. That's the tax bills and tax payments here. This is a pretty detailed assessment record here.
Yeah, so here's kind of where the opening bid would be. We can see the county balance due and the school balance due. So this property is going to start at about 45 plus 15 will be around the opening bid amount. And then we can go and look at the property value. I mean, that's going to be quite a bit, $70,000, $65,000 opening bid. We'll have to see what the property is valued at to see if that makes sense. But we can do that pretty quickly by looking up the property address and seeing and doing a quick check of market value.